Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites so the update won't fail. Make sure Mac OS is current enough and you have at least 2 GB free. Once done, save documents and quit Word to avoid file conflicts. Then open Microsoft Auto Update via Word Help Check for updates, or open the App Store if you installed Office there. You're initiating the update process now, which lets the updater detect compatible Office builds and present the correct install option. You'll now execute the core steps. In Microsoft Auto Update, click Check for updates. The app lists available Office updates and shows version numbers so you know what changes. Choose Update beside Word or select Update all to include Excel and PowerPoint. If you use the App Store, tap Updates and update Word there. You may be asked for your Mac OS admin password. Enter it to allow system-level installation. Let the download and installation complete. Progress bars and % complete the process by reopening Word and verifying the new version under Word About Word, so you confirm the update applied and new features are active. Make sure other Office apps are also up to date, and restart your Mac if prompted to finalize background components. If something goes wrong, try signing out of Office, then running Microsoft Auto Update again. If that fails, reinstall Auto Update or Office. This tip usually resolves permission or corrupted updater issues without losing your documents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.